Welcome to this part 16. In each part, we are going to discuss the 10 questions related to piping engineering, which are generally asked in interviews. So let us see what are the various questions, 10 questions which we are going to cover in this part. What are double and triple offset valves? Okay, what are the reasons behind various offsets in butterfly valves? How can metal to metal contact be mitigated in double offset valves? Okay, we need to really understand this concept. Why triple offset butterfly valves are required? Is there any contact between disc and seat in triple offset valves? What are various applications of double and triple offset valves? Okay, this we need to know. What are the reasons behind cost difference between these two valves? What are double block and bleed valves? What are various applications? What are the various benefits for double block and bleed valves? So these are the basic questions related to butterfly and double block and bleed valves, which every piping engineer should know. Any of the interviewer can ask during the interview. So you are going to get each and every answer in the answer section. Playlist is a very good tool which is provided by YouTube for all the YouTube channels. On this platform of oil and gas fundas, we have so many playlists with us just to organize the content in a systematic manner. Many playlists are created. For example, the consolidated list where all the videos available on this channel are there. Then many topics we covered: pump piping, compressor piping, pipe rack piping. All those topics we discussed in length. All those small short videos, long video, everything we have created in a playlist form. So you can always look into the playlist and check out how many topics, what kind of topics we have covered. Then we discussed the 2-minute funda series. 150 plus videos are there. So all are consolidated in the form of that playlist. Many codes and standard API, ASME clauses we discussed. All are organized in a systematic manner in the form of playlists. Then recently we completed our piping certification course details. That is also covered in the form of playlist. It is available on this channel. Then other self improvement topics, for example, how to write a covering letter, how to write an email. Many videos are there on those topics. So those are also uh, consolidated in the form of playlists. Now this is a new series where we are going to discuss interview questions related to piping engineering. We are going to cover 10 questions per video. Again, there will be a playlist available on this channel. You can always go through that to go into content. So this is a very good tool organized in a systematic manner. Don't miss. Many more videos will be there, and those all will be consolidated in the form of playlists. So this is again a very good tool. Don't miss. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.